Hello goddesses, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be taking you guys down to downtown Glendale, just a few of my favorite stores. So many little stores and stuff even in the community, like if you walk around the neighborhoods. Something nice to do if you just want to get out and walk and get out of your house. Before we go ahead and hop into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I love you all so much. Let's go ahead and hop into it. It's a Tuesday, so it's not too busy, but it's a nice thing to do on a beautiful day. I'm going to take you to my first spot, which is this tea place. Cool. It looks so good though. So these are the teas. My favorite is the Third Eye Chai, but they're all really yummy. Oh my god, I'm in love with this store. The universe has your back. Cute. You have so much more things. I love it. Ooh. Hair, skin, and nails tea? Definitely getting that cup for my sister for Christmas. The audio cut out, so I had to like voice over here. But this tea spot is so nice. It's called Namaste Tea. And she makes a lot of her own herbs, so you can get anything kind of really customized for your own personal needs. And this is my all-time favorite. I love that old clock. It's so cute. This reminds me of like Vampire Diaries, kind of like the brick walls and like me. I'm just kidding. No, just kind of looks like more of like an old town. They have really cool wall art. A lot of like antique stores, as you guys can see. Really fun, different like places. This place, the Coyote Odie's, so cute. I'm gonna take you guys inside. It actually is really cute. I love the other tea place too, but this one's nice. And everything's kind of like me again. Everything's kind of like vintage, cool. Really cute. These cookies are so good. I can't wait not. Cute. These cookies are so good. So excited. But they usually have Glendale glitters right there. And I don't know if they'll do it this year. Oh my gosh. Pink House Boutique. Also a really cute store. Oh my gosh. Totally Instagram worthy. I wonder if I should take a picture right there. Yeah, that didn't turn out quite as I expected, but this is inside the Pink Boutique. There's chandeliers all over the walls. I was trying to capture that, but they have a lot of, that's me again. They have a lot of really cool original clothing. I know that they do serve a lot of local artists that make their own handbags as well as clothes. They have a lot of vintage stuff, mirrors everywhere, which I was in love with. A lot of really fun accessories. They even have like a whole back wall area that's kind of like 50s inspired. Arizona, what's up? And they have like the poodle skirts, and it's really cute. I'm telling you, it's like a very vintage, different. They have a lot of really girly things too, more so in the front, but they have a little bit of something for everybody. And I think this is just a really cool store. So if you're in the area, definitely recommend to go there. Gifts and collectibles. Okay, I see you. Ooh, Mexican tacos. And it is Tuesday. But they actually, ooh, there's a mural. Maybe I can do a photo shoot right there. Easily distracted, I know. There's a vegan Mexican food restaurant in downtown Glendale. But it is really good. Oh yes, way better. Ah! I swear, it's November, middle November, and it's still burning hot outside. It really just seems like a small town vibe. You have like all your restaurants, all your little like antique shops. If you go more into the community, they have a little really cute restaurant that has like a tea party kind of setup. I'm gonna just drive around the little neighborhood so you guys can see. Okay, so Historic District, 59th Avenue. There's a little store right there that looks like a home. And then there's a bunch of, oh, see, look. just historic district, but there's a bunch of little stores, like I said, that look like homes, or I guess technically they are homes, but they're converted into stores. Really, really cute little store area here too. This is actually the one place they have like puppy things also, so it's really, really cute. You go on down, obviously the arrows. They have like little puppuccinos and puppy ice cream. It's really friendly for families. So I like the main downtown, but then when you go more into the community, it's even more like secluded, and it's really cute for just like an adventure, a walk. See, and the back house is converted into a full-on store. They have a lot of like area to have your dogs roam free, your kids roam free, and it's really, really cute. And again, just like a really nice local business. It's a really cute, really green, and it's real grass, so that's nice. But yeah, so they have like a little alternative medicine area, cottage. They have a lot of tattoo parlors here too, but if you go down this block and then the block around, it's kind of more so the shops. This is the next street over, but it still says Historic District. This is 59th, and you can see now this is more of the main area of the Historic District shopping center, but they have just the general map of where to go. Again, this is just something that's really cute, really different. Arizona Information Center, I had no idea what that is or why it's there, but like they have a little cute boutique, and this is actually the same area. I'll show you guys that little cute tea spot, that little cottage area. Oh, they have like really cute stuff in there too. Pretty much everywhere, the Dollhouse Museum. But the Spicery, is that what it's called? I believe that's what it's called. But it's right here, it's right on the corner. And this is the one where you make the reservations, and they have, it's like a tea party and people get really dressed up, and it's a really, really cute experience. If anybody is interested, it's just, again, something different you can do if you have little ones. But it's basically this. It's called the Spicery. The Spicery in our home. $18.95, but it's a lunch and afternoon tea area. It is really, really, really adorable. You have to have reservations to go in, so obviously I cannot go in, but if you do get the chance, definitely worth a shot to check out, especially if you have little girls. Like I'm saying, that is just like the ultimate tea party experience. I might do it for my birthday, who knows. So cute. Oh, they already have their Christmas, like a gingerbread house. Some noise in the background, but still, this whole area is super, super cute. See, they have just like a lot of really cute stores. Anyways, the cookie that I got out of all the like really cute selections, I ended up getting the dark chocolate cashew. I feel like it looks so cute, like a little mountain. This is what it looks like. It's so soft and so good. Coyote Odie's. Again, this is like one of the like smaller companies, so like smaller businesses, which I love supporting because I love supporting people's dreams, and that's why it means so much to me. You guys do subscribe because it's supporting my dream. As I cross the street. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this miniature vlog of downtown Glendale with the noise in the background. It's okay, go with it. I love you all so much. Until next time.